20. In the Venn diagram, shade the region. These two is intersection, the overlap. Okay, so A, this is A. Then C. Let's put a, okay, so this is C. You see overlap. We have some overlap here. And then B complement. B complement is other than B. So everything here other than B. Okay. So intersection will be here. Inside. Okay, just clear everything. You look, see intersection will be here. The intersection of the three. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.